Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Rebirthing My Hair. So today's video is going to be a battle of the gels. Now what made me do this video was the simple fact that I actually made a gel myself from flaxseed and a secret ingredient. So here is my DIY gel. It looks a little cloudy, but that's just the way it came out. And here is the other gel. This is the Eco Styles Professional Styling Gel, olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. Now, with these two gels, the objective of this video is to see which gel I prefer to use. Now, ever since I started using my DIY gel, I have fallen in love with it. So I thought that, hey, I would put it to the test to see which gel actually will take home the victory. Now my hair is freshly washed. It is conditioned, very conditioned, and it is moisturized with my leave-in conditioner and oil on my scalp to help moisturize and oils on my ends. I'm also going to be using my handy dandy rose water. This stuff is like my holy grail, kid you not. It's full of antioxidants and vitamins, and I love it. I'm so glad that I started using it. And also, my hair was detangled during the wash process, but I decided that, you know, why not have these two tools here. So I have my detangling wide tooth comb, and I have my knockoff dimming brush. I'm pretty sure it will work the same. We're going to see. I'm pretty excited because I've always wanted to try a brush like this. I just want to see sort of kind of what the hype is about, and later on, maybe in another month or so, I'm going to buy the dimming brush itself and compare the two brushes. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into this video, shall we? Okay, so on this side of my hair, I am going to be using the Eco Styles gel. I've never used this gel before. This is actually my first time using it. So we're going to see. I read the label and it supposedly says that in the bullet points here on the sides, it says that it helps your hair to shine, it holds, it moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promotes hair growth, no flakes, and no tack, and anti-itch. So I will be using that on this side if I can get it open. Okay, so I have my hair divided in half, and I'm going to actually work in that one half section. I divided it into another half. So I'm going to work in those sections, and I'm going to divide that into smaller sections. And I'm just gonna pin it away with a duckbill clip. To grab my rose water, and I am going to use spray just to dampen the hair, give it that moisture. And I'm going to go in, detangle, and then I'm going to start the process of the gel. So I'm going to start in my roots since it's the frizziest. And I'm just gonna work it through. So I feel like this is what this looks like so far. I don't know. Okay. I don't know, guys, like, it feels amazing. Okay guys, now that this side is complete, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move over to this side, and we're going to be using the DIY gel here. Yeah, let's just finish, and then we're going to compare once done. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, bye, peace, love, and happiness.